I didn't grow up on the Bay. I didn't grow up with an understanding that the Bay was mine. It gives me great pride to announce that today I will sign our newest executive orders, which doesn't just affirm our commitment to the Bay, but this today will mark a new approach in a way that the state of Maryland will preserve the Bay.
And on the 40th anniversary of our collective effort between states and federal government to restore the Chesapeake Bay, Governor Moore is doubling down and signing the executive order to create the Governor's Council of Chesapeake and Coastal Bay Watersheds.
Environmental justice has been an issue for not just Marylanders, but the entire country. And me coming in as secretary, that is my #1 goal, to make sure that those neighborhoods and communities that have been forgotten are no longer. And that's where when we think about the Chesapeake Bay, it's the same issue. Everyone should have access to the Chesapeake Bay.